Okay, here we have a squeaky lazy Susan, and I'm going to try to fix it so it doesn't squeak. This is what it sounds like when it's fixed, and you can see it doesn't squeak. So they've been driving me crazy. First of all, you have to take it apart, so we'll show you that. That comes apart with, oh, here's some tools you're going to need: a flashlight, screwdriver, Phillips head, some graphite lubricant. So you got to take these two doors off. To do that, so you got to empty the cabinets. I'll show you that. I'll empty that off. But here's the screws, if you can get in there. And you got to take this off here, like that. These screws aren't very large, so there's a total of 8 of these. Two on this tray, and then 2 on the bottom tray. Okay, I'm taking out the last screw, if I can get it in there. Alright. And once you get that last screw out, pull this doors out like that. Now, to get this out, you have this piece. Can you get an angle on that? So what happens is this goes like this, and that comes down. It'd probably be best to push this back up just a little bit, and you don't have to put that on too tight. Now, you won't be able to get this out easily, but if you lift this up, look down here, Beth. This piece is a little pin, see? And this can go all the way down like that. Then this can lift up, turn, and spin like that. So that's how you get this out of here. So, now, what is squeaking? This piece is squeaking. This is where it rubs, right there. And this is where it rubs. Here and in here. So against this surface. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take graphite, which is a solid lubricant. This is graphite, you can see it. So my daughter thought to get a Q-tip and spread it, open up the bottle, so she's doing that. My daughter's using a Q-tip and having to tap it, and that seems to be working pretty well. So okay, so this is no longer white, it's got the graphite on it. This piece here, you can see where we put graphite on it, that where it rubs, and this circle part, that's the parts that have friction, that's got graphite on it now. Okay, so I'm reinstalling this, and you just set this in here, get it down there, and then you lift this part up. I don't really know what the rule is about how much tension to do there, but then you've got
the pin.
This piece, you lift this up, put this where that goes, and see, you can't really see, but the bottom of these trays set in there, and then they go down.
Now we did the door.
Okay, and then you put the door on. So let's make sure it doesn't squeak. So it doesn't sound like it's going to squeak.
That sounds. Oh, it's
all right, I'm going to put the doors on. Getting the doors on is kind of fussy. You gotta, but it's just lining up the old holes with these holes and putting the screws in. I'm going to do that off camera. As you're putting these screws in, those first two were the hardest. You want to verify the tray is all the way, that the pin can be too far back or too far forward, and this could not be all the way down. So you need to verify that the pin is precisely placed and that this tray is all the way down.
The pin holding the
And
tray
then-
up.
Then these, when you get them in, you need to keep them loose. Don't tighten them all the way until
Screws.
you get them all in. So I'm on the third one right now. You can pause. Okay, we got this all screwed back on, and you can tell it's not perfect. It's worse fully loaded, but it's a lot better than it was. So that's how it sounds now.
Better than the Banshee shriek it was.
Thank you. That's it.
Bye-bye.
Bye.